Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming you have a Google Workspace teacher account and the necessary admin permissions. Once confirmed, open Google Classroom and click the plus, then Create Class to start. Enter the class name, section, subject, and room. Make sure to add a co-teacher if needed, and open class settings immediately to set the grading scheme, points versus ungraded options, and enable guardian summaries so families receive updates. These first steps put you in control and prevent rework later. Once the class shell exists, organize learning using the Classwork tab by creating topics for units or weeks to keep materials tidy. Create an assignment by adding clear directions, due date, points, and attach resources from Drive, links, or files. Add a rubric to clarify grading. Make use of reuse posts to copy past content, schedule release times for pacing, and assign differentiated materials to individuals. Also, set expectations in the instructions and use private comments to guide students one-to-one. To finish, grade using the gradebook view or open each assignment and apply your rubric to keep grading consistent. Enter grades and return work promptly. Provide actionable feedback. Use annotations, typed comments, or short voice notes. Then release final grades and post summaries so students know next steps. If something goes wrong, first check student account permissions and Drive link sharing, then refresh the class or have users clear browser cache. If problems persist, contact your admin for workspace settings. This closes the loop and keeps learning moving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.